quick look at how to play the fantastic Sam Fender song Saturday. This song is actually played in C sharp standard tuning on the recorded version and C standard live. I'm going to show you a way to play it in standard tuning so you don't have to detune your guitar. We'll take a quick look at how to play the song in the correct tuning at the end of the video. The first chord we're going to play is the C sharp bar chord. Got the first finger here on the 4th fret of the A, and the third finger bar across the 6th fret on the D, G and B strings. We're going to strum the chord and let it ring out for 2 beats. And on the third beat we're going to play the chord again. Immediately after we've hit it, we're going to release the pressure on the left hand to get that staccato sound. So, and we're going to hit the chord again and do the same again, release the pressure straight after. So, and we're just going to repeat from there. The C sharp sounds like this. Long hit there, we're going to go to a G sharp bar chord. That's the first finger bar across the 4th fret, third finger on the 6th fret of the A, pinky finger 6th fret of the D, and second finger on the 5th fret of the G string. And we're just going to play down, up, down. This is going to be our passing chord. So, then we're going to go to an F sharp bar chord and play exactly the same rhythm as the E chord. To get back to that C sharp chord, we're going to use the transition chord again on the G sharp. Down, up, down, straight to the E. Okay, so the chords so far. The pre-chorus actually starts on this F sharp chord from the verse. We're going to get rid of the distinct rhythm and we're going to use a lot more loose strumming, a lot more down strums before we go into the chorus. So we hang on this F sharp chord. The chorus starts on the C sharp chord while Sam's singing If Saturday Don't Come Soon, and then we're going to go from C sharp, D, D sharp, little chromatic run. So Saturday don't come soon. Don't come soon. I'm going to hit a chord on each of those lyrics. Saturday, don't come soon. And then we go to the F sharp. When we finish the chorus and go back to the second verse, you would expect to start on the C sharp chord, but Sam actually goes back to the F sharp chord and starts the verse kind of backwards, if you like. So we come out of the chorus on the F sharp, we've got the linking G sharp, and then we go back to the F sharp. So, so the mid-8 section starts off the same way as the chorus on this C sharp chord. Here we're actually going to do another run, D sharp, F, F sharp. So we've got, then we're going to change this F sharp chord into an F sharp minor chord to finish off the mid-8. So, repeat the chorus till the end of the song. And finish the song off with single strum of the C sharp chord. To jam along in C sharp standard tuning with the correct chord voicings, you're going to have to detune every string by a minor third. E to C sharp, A to F sharp, D to B, G to E, B to G sharp, and the high E to C sharp. If you're trying to jam along with a live version, you're going to have to detune every string another half step. In C sharp, we're going to play the voicings completely differently. We're going to start off with an E major chord. We're going to refinger it, so we've got the first finger free. So we've got the third finger there on the 2nd fret of the A, pinky finger, 2nd fret of the D, and second finger on the 1st fret of the G string. The second chord we're going to play is the B add 11 chord. I'm going to move the shape all the way up the neck. I'm going to hook the thumb over and grab the 7th fret there on the low E string, 9th fret with the 3rd finger on the A, pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D. Then we're going to get the 2nd finger on the 8th fret of the G, and the 1st finger is going to grab the B string at the 7th fret and also the open E string. And the 3rd chord is 2 frets down, exactly the same fingering. So we've got E, B add 11, A. The rhythm is obviously exactly the same as it is in standard tuning. The little run for the chorus is E, F, F sharp, and then we finish that off with an A. So. The mid 8 starts the same way as the chorus, so E, F, F sharp, then we go from F sharp to G sharp to A, then we make the A in A minor. Finish the song off on a single strum of the E chord. Make sure you jam along with this song, whether that be in C sharp standard tuning, C standard tuning, or even standard tuning. Check out this playlist here for more Sam Fender tutorials. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.